I have toe, leg, thigh, calf, ankle, foot, heel, sole, toe, chin, knee. Color the picture. Number 6. Eyes and ear. Eyes, ear, eyebrow, eyelid, eyelash, cornea, pupil, iris. Circle the sense organ that is being used by the girl. Eyes, tongue, nose, ears. Number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The Boy and the Cashew Nuts.
A boy was very fond of cashew nuts, so his mother always gave him a few nuts to eat. The boy always asked her for more nuts. Every time the mother would say, "No, my dear, not so many at a time. If you eat too many at a time, you will get pain in your stomach." The stern voice of his mother made the boy quiet, but he never felt that what she said was right. One day the boy was alone in the house. His mother had gone out for some work. The boy managed to get at the jar of cashew nuts. There was no one to stop him eating that day, so he ate as many cashew nuts as he could. Next day the boy fell sick. He suffered from a severe pain in his stomach. He felt sorry for not obeying his mother. Moral: your elders are your well-wishers. Obey them.
Introduction. Shape. Circle. Ring. Ring. Watch. Watch. Join the dots using red crayon.
Nose and tongue. Tongue. Nose. Match the picture with correct sense organ.
Write letter T. Train. Train. Tomato. Tomato. Tiger. Trace and write letter T. Write letter U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Unicorn. Unicorn. Uniform. Uniform. Trace and write letter U.
Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trace and write the number.
Skin. I can feel through my skin. My skin is all over my body. Hand. Hand. Leg. Leg. Skin. I can feel. Teacher will tell the children about concepts: rough, smooth, hot, cold. Rough. Rough. Smooth. Smooth. Hot. Hot. Cold. Cold.